Hello and welcome to this video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling the Model T Touring. So just take your clippers and clip away at things like this. And clean up all the little sprue cuts and everything. There you go. Clip, clip, clip. Oh, and then here you want to clip underneath these wheel wells here. So clip like that. Clip like this. There you go. And then carefully clip like that. Their eye protection. Sometimes these things can fly. There you go. Perfect. So now do this side. Just be careful with this. You don't want to clip away at the fender or anything like that. Okay. You got it. So now that's good. Then go ahead and clip away this little sprue from those pieces. There you go. And then clip this sprue. There you go. Clean up the sprue mark there. Last sprue marks to do. And then just make sure that the sprue marks are cleaned up on those wheels. Sanded down, whatever you wish to do. This is the Model T Touring car. And here is the steering wheel. Carefully clip that. In the tiniest scales, the steering wheel may come out pretty fragile. In the larger scales, it'll be fine. Now, the first step, let's glue the major part of this body together. Just dab some glue like that. Easy enough. Actually, before gluing that, there's actually some little sprues here. I'll see. Good to get those. All right. If you wish, you can get that too. Now, essentially, try to get, here it is. I'll show you. You see that the wheel well lining up there? You want that to line up. But of course, the rest of this just get in the center of that. So here's an example of how that, there you go. Have that line up like that. But before we do that, let's go ahead and dab some glue there. Perfect. Right. That dry. And now you can actually get these pieces glued. So to do that process, let's carefully get some glue here. Like that. And then I as well get some glue like that. And then carefully go like that. So you see how that ended up? That's what you want. Do the other side now. So, see that? That's what you want right there. Okay. Next, go ahead and just put some glue there. Then you can put this little front grill piece on like that. Got it. Yeah, so here's the deal. It's good to test fit all of these and stuff. Put some glue down like that, as you can see. And then take and put this piece down. Then you can put some glue like that. Then put that piece like that. So far so good. Then take a little bit of glue. Now carefully place this wheel there. There's your steering wheel. Can be a fragile little piece. All right, so up next, after letting some of that stuff dry just a bit, before I do these fenders here, I'm going to do the wheels just to try to simplify this. So put some glue down, of course. There you go. And then take this, make sure that the axle just goes directly in the center there. And then axle center. Good. Let's do the other side. Oops, that was a bit much on the glue, but it's done is done. Axle center. There you go. So as you can see, we're almost done with that process. Just testing the wheels if they're okay with the way they are. Now, put some glue like this. That's going to be the only contact for that, so be careful. Then we can put this fender to glue there. It can be tricky. All right. Get some glue on the other side. All right, so those fenders are actually not in the correct position, but I'm letting them dry just a bit. If you have really quick setting glue, then you can just set it there and you're good. But I'm letting it dry just a bit, because then later I'll push it up just a bit. But anyways, so later the fenders. Once that glue sets just a bit, push those fenders up before it dries completely, kind of like that. But the glue is a little wet currently, so let it dry and then push them up. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is available at miniaturetanks.com.